This is for call-in customer. Very importantly, when a customer call in, there's intent. So the very first thing you don't want to do is to let them go away. You'll be asking, what's the concern? Next, please get their email. Now when you get the email, don't just stop there. There's email validation program out there just to check whether is this a troller account. Next, when you've booked the appointment for the client, send them a WhatsApp message, a WeChat message, something that is relevant in your community. You don't want to just stop at a phone call whereby it's a one-way traffic, they talk to you only, you cannot talk to them. So with WhatsApp and WeChat, the advantage is you can send broadcast news, you can continue to nurture the client and not let anybody else do it. Thirdly, you may also want to send an email for the same client that calls in to entice them to do a like and share of your social media post. How cool is it? Very simple steps that you can actually implement immediately. The digital process. Very often we ignore the digital messenger process of your business. Most times when somebody writes in and asks how much, what treatment can I do, and end of the day is most consultants will just type in SOP, please come down for consulting. Lead the message. The first thing is, most times when people write in a messenger, there's a high chance that you're running an ad campaign. Ask the next question. Which ad campaign that you see actually relate to you? If they give you an answer, great, go on to the next one. What is the skin concern that you actually have now? If they tell you, great, go to the next one. How soon do you need to treat this problem? When you run the sequence of 3 questions, you're already running through and checking the intent of the digital virtual client. Now if they answer you some more, great, book the appointment. How do you book it? First, the email trick. Get the email, validate the email to make sure they are not a troller, and double confirm and send them a WhatsApp message, a WeChat message, whatever is relevant, and double confirm and nurture the client already on the first time virtual experience with you.
The digital race made easy. Now you can.